Hello, my name is Sally Marie Gimmon, and I am the owner of the TrustIsYou.com in a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to teach as many people as possible how they can save federal taxes just like the rich do. If you have heard of the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys, they all have this trust, and also US presidents. On October 10th, 4 p.m. East Coast time, I'm going to do a brand new live presentation that's going to go over the Spendthrift Trust and open it up for Q&A, question and answers. So let me share my screen right now because you don't want to see my face. Now, there's going to be 4 different trusts, but I usually only talk about 2 major trusts. Whoops, go away, we don't want you there. Yep, there we go. We usually talk about 4 trusts, but all 4 trusts are going to save you in 4 special ways. Number 1, it's going to save you federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. It's an amazing document. It is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code 643B, like Bravo. This is what the rich families know about. I want everyday Americans to know about this too. The business trust is for business owners and 1099 income earners. You will save at least 70% on your federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. It's an amazing thing. Most of my clients are saving between 90 to 95%. I personally saved 92%. I only paid 8% in 1099 income on my 2022 taxes. It's a wonderful thing. And now, excuse me, the beneficial trust is for all investors. You will not pay short-term or long-term capital gains. I got in trouble with the IRS because I was working full-time and I was wholesaling bank-owned properties in 2019. I put myself in a higher tax bracket, and this is why I found out about the trust, and I'm teaching it to other people. So capital gains, hence the name of my podcast, Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Now, you're also going to stop paying interest income. That's for people who have notes like I do. They're doing seller financing. They're doing creative financing. You're a forex investor. Yo, forex investors, you get taxed interest income and capital gains. You're a passive investor. You're doing REIT investing, or you're doing the BRRRR strategy. That's interest income. Dividend income, that's for anybody involved with the stock market. You might be a day trader, a futures trader, a binary options trader, or if you're just doing regular options, you're getting taxed 40% or 60% after a year. Yikes. Rental income. Yes, you people with rental income, you can still take depreciation, but every trust, I don't care if it's a business trust, beneficial trust, the charitable trust, or the senior trust, all the trusts are going to save you in 4 major ways. Number 1, it's going to save you federal taxes. Everybody wants to save federal taxes. Number 2, it's going to keep your information 100% private. Your LLC, S Corp, or C Corp does not do this. I can write a Freedom of Information letter to the Secretary of State or the Corporation Commission. Number 3, it's going to, I can't stop you from being sued, but you will not pay any judgments if you are sued. The old adage from Nelson Rockefeller, own nothing, control everything. It's a beautiful thing. And then the 4th thing, this is really important. I hope you understand what's coming out January 1st, 2024. It's a Corporation Transparency Act. It's an ugly bill. You're going to have to file all kinds of paperwork. And if you are in either the business trust, the beneficial trust, the nonprofit trust, or the senior trust, you don't have to worry about it. It's going to save you such a headache. If you do not fill out the paperwork correctly, let's say you fill out the paperwork, but there's something missing, they can charge you $500 a day that you don't get the right paperwork in. Yikes. Also, how it's being regulated, the banks and credit unions are the people who are going to be telling the Department of Treasury what's a fishy account. If the Department of Treasury inspects this and finds out, yes, they're doing anti-money laundering, or it's not being done correctly, the bank will make either between 35% and 40% on all the property seized. The banks aren't your friends. So this is what the trust will help you with. Again, I want to invite you to a 30-minute tax breakthrough session before October 10th, or please come on October 10th to see the new presentation. I'm going to be talking about the 2024 Corporation Transparency Act in that act. This is an actual client of mine. He contacted me back in August of 2022. He has a team that is doing fix and flips all over Victorville, California. In 2022, they were going to do 4 fix and flips. When he contacted me in August, he had 2 more to do. We knew he was making at least $50,000 in profit after paying off everybody, and he files jointly with his wife. They're at 24% tax rate, and at 24% tax rate, he's going to be paying $12,000 in short-term capital gains April 15th, 2023. So he started the trust. Well, now that he has so much more capital to work with because he's not paying capital gains and doesn't have to put it aside, in 2023, so far, this is October, so I can't tell you the exact dates, but he has done 6 fix and flips so far in Victorville, California, and it is going to save $72,000. He's also telling other people about the Spendthrift Trust, and I have a commission. I have a paid JV agreement where when he tells somebody else to buy the trust and they do, he makes $600. We are doing very well here. His name is Vicente. He's doing very well. He loves this trust. His wife loves this trust. She does their books for them. She's telling more people. So again, please come to my October 10th, 2024, 4 p.m. East Coast time for Save Federal Taxes Legally, or set up a meeting with me at www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling, a 30-minute tax breakthrough session so we can figure out how much we could save you year after year, generation after generation. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Take care.